Our competitors like to say, we're not Grandpa's truck cap. But we know that Grandpa is the kind of person who knows how to get the job done right. He understands the value of hard work, the meaning of a dollar, and the pride that comes from building something that lasts. For generations, people like him built this country, not with shortcuts, but with craftsmanship, grit, and integrity. At LEER, that legacy is where we began. For decades, truck owners have trusted LEER because our products are built with the very same values today that built America. Although trucks have changed, our commitment has not. We continue to evolve because we know you expect more out of your truck, but our foundation remains. For us, being the trusted truck expert means never standing still. We build solutions for the way America works today, from traditional caps and modular setups to covers, cargo management, and accessories designed to help you do more. Today, LEER isn't just truck caps. We're the original trusted truck experts. Grandpa would be proud.